Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we'll be discussing how to favorite channels on YouTube TV for quick and easy access. Tired of scrolling through hundreds of channels to find your favorites on YouTube TV? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you a simple and efficient way to curate your channel list, saving you time and frustration. We'll cover adding, removing, and reordering your favorite channels. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tricks on all things tech. Let's get started. Scene change, showing YouTube TV interface. Okay, first things first, let's open up YouTube TV on your preferred device. This process is pretty much the same whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or your computer. Highlight the Live tab. Once you're in YouTube TV, navigate to the Live tab. This is where you'll find the full channel guide. Show scrolling through channels. As you can see, there are a lot of channels. To start favoriting, simply find the channel you want to add to your favorites list. Highlight a channel logo. Show the star icon. When you hover over a channel or select it on a touchscreen, you should see a star icon. Show clicking the star icon to favorite a channel. Clicking that star icon will add the channel to your favorites. The star will usually change color, often turning yellow or gold, to indicate it's been favorited. Show favorited channels appearing at the top. Now, if you scroll back up to the top of the Live Guide, you should see your favorited channels listed at the very top. This gives you quick access to the channels you watch most often. Show adding multiple channels. Repeat this process to add all your favorite channels. It's as simple as clicking the star icon next to each channel. Scene change, removing favorite channels. Okay. So what if you want to remove a channel from your favorites? No problem. Show a favorited channel with a star icon. Simply go back to that channel in the guide, and click the star icon again. This will unfavorite the channel, and it will be removed from your favorites list. Show the channel disappearing from the top list. You'll see it disappear from the top of the guide. Scene change, reordering favorite channels. Now, let's talk about reordering your favorite channels. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't offer a drag-and-drop feature for reordering directly within the guide. However, there's a simple workaround. Show account settings or profile icon. You'll need to go into your account settings. Look for a profile icon, usually in the upper right corner. Click on that. Show settings in the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Show Live Guide settings. Within Settings, look for Live Guide. Click on that. Show the Customize Live Guide option. Here you will see an option to customize the live guide. Show the checkboxes and their order. This is where you can select which channels appear in your live guide, and the order in which they appear. Demonstrate checking and unchecking channels. Uncheck any channels you don't want to see in your guide at all, including in the main list. Remember, favoriting a channel just bumps it to the top of the guide. This settings menu dictates which channels even appear in your guide overall. Demonstrate reordering with arrows or drag and drop, if available. Otherwise, explain that the order you check them determines the order. The order you check these channels is the order they will appear, with your favorites at the top. If YouTube TV has added a drag and drop feature here, demonstrate that instead. So, uncheck all of your favorites and then recheck them in the order you want them to appear at the top of your guide. Click Done. Show the updated live guide with reordered favorites. Now when you go back to your live guide, you'll see your favorite channels in the order you selected. Scene change, wrap up. And that's it. You've learned how to favorite, unfavorite, and reorder channels on YouTube TV. This simple trick can really improve your viewing experience and save you a lot of time. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.